In 2022, Project Skyway set out to integrate BVLOS drone operations safely into shared airspace, without segregation or the need for specific drone hardware. Drones have the potential to revolutionize businesses and transform lives, but to unlock their full benefits, they need to fly beyond visual line of sight without the need for visual observers on the ground or the segregation or reservation of airspace from other airspace users. Regulators require humans in the loop for most drone flights to take place outside of segregated airspace, or when multiple companies are involved, both are blockers to achieving BVLOS at scale. However, relying exclusively on electronic conspicuity and segregation is neither safe enough to achieve BVLOS without visual observers, or going to permit scale to support the types of life-saving or commercially transformative flights envisaged. Why? These methods fail to adequately cater for accidental or willful incursions, or either non-compliance with or malfunction of transponder requirements. Skyway set out to prove that technology could reliably replace the function of visual observers and enable BVLOS operations by multiple drone companies in integrated airspace without impacting any other airspace users. We chose Project Skyway's location strategically for maximum commercial benefit, and because the geography transits some of the most complex infrastructure and airspace in the country. Skyway is delivering a scalable solution to safely integrate drones into lower airspace, without the need of extra equipment like transponders or segregation. At its core is our Arrow infrastructure, which uses a distributed network of reliable advanced sensors. These sensors feed data about the real-time state of airspace in the vicinity of those sensors, creating a comprehensive view of the airspace and, crucially, one that is not reliant on the cooperation or connection of other airspace users with the system. This enables real-time deconfliction between drones wishing to fly on the Skyway and other air traffic, whether or not that other air traffic is broadcasting any positional information, ensuring safe and efficient operations can take place without the need for visual observers in location. With Project Skyway, we're not just building a drone superhighway, we've fundamentally delivered the requirements of an automated air traffic control system to support automated drone flights at scale, anywhere in the UK, and without the need for visual observers to perform deconfliction, all the while remaining in compliance with current regulations and supporting the goals of airspace integration in the CAA's Airspace Modernization Strategy. Project Skyway enables scalable commercial drone operations using detect and avoid capabilities of the Wide Area Detection Network, supplemented by Altitude Angel's tried and trusted Guardian UTM operating system to deliver advanced detect and avoid capabilities to ensure safety. By remaining compliant with UK regulation and providing demonstrably better separation performance than human visual observers, it is now possible to rely on the Arrow system to remove the need for human visual observers in automated flight, as well as the need for airspace segregation, all without relying on the cooperation of other legitimate or other airspace users operating in its vicinity. This is the key to safe, integrated, and highly automated BVLOS flight. Get in touch with Altitude Angel to see how you can be one of the first to fly on Skyway.